Seeing the message, your device isn't part of the Netflix household on your iPhone? This happens when Netflix detects that your iPhone isn't connected to your registered household Wi-Fi, or when your home network has changed recently. So let's fix it step by step. Solution 1. Check the network. Make sure that your iPhone is on the same Wi-Fi network that your main Netflix TV or device uses. Turn off VPN. If you have turned VPN on your iPhone, it can also cause this issue to pop up. So go to your settings, scroll down to General, tap on it, scroll down again and tap on VPN and Device Management. Now turn off any active VPN from here. Netflix blocks access if your IP doesn't match your registered home region. Now reopen Netflix. It should recognize the device as part of your household. In case the problem persists, you can contact Netflix support. Open a browser, search help.netflix.com. From here, scroll down until you find the Contact Us option. Tap on it. Now in the box, write your error message. Device isn't part of your Netflix household. After that, scroll down once again. Choose chat or call and explain that your household devices aren't syncing. Now someone from Netflix will help you fix it. They can manually refresh your registered household if needed. And that's it. Once your iPhone reconnects to your Netflix household, the error should disappear. If this video helps you out, then drop a like and subscribe for more quick Netflix and iPhone guides.